What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Diesel. Today, I guess you can say I'm gonna actually do my first mod. Right now, I'm about to head down to Dirty30 Performance out there in Wallingford. I've been messaging them back and forth on IG to get something done to this car. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, so now I'm here, Dirty30 Performance in Wallingford, Connecticut. Can't wait to see how this thing turns out. I mean, I don't expect it to be loud by any means, but a little more sound would be better. Bought this thing from eBay so I could keep the stock one stocked. We're gonna gut this thing out. Well, not we. Mechanic's gonna gut it out. Let's see how much more better the car drives or whatever. How do the welds look? Also came with the gaskets.
Perfect.
Oh yeah, definitely louder. It's definitely louder, but he needs a muffler and resonator delete. The burbles are coming in though.
It'll be better once I do that dual exhaust on it.
Yeah.
Alright guys, it's the next day. Let's start this thing up, see how it sounds, and get a couple of sound clips. Still sounds pretty normal. Not too loud. Or rather, not even loud at all. Sound stop. Oh yeah, I also kept the stock one just in case I need to go back for any reason.